Hi guys, like I promised in my previous video, I'm going to show you how I prepare my collard green. The ones I use today is kale because I couldn't find the actual collard greens. And pretty much in a pan, what you're gonna need is some oil. So you're gonna heat up some oil in a pan. I used about a tablespoon of oil. And then next step is for you to add in some onions. So you need those onions in your wrap. I know I'm an onion, I guess. And next thing you're gonna add in some tomatoes and just pretty much stir fry your tomato and onions. Create some sort of stew and add some salt. Salt is good in food, you know, especially if you don't season food. So just stir fry until you have some sort of sauce like this, and then after that, that's when you're gonna add your vegetables. So just to let you know guys that before I cook my vegetables, I usually let them sit in hot boiling water for about 3 to 5 minutes so that they kind of like soften up a little bit, and then I just add them to that sauce, and that's what I just did here. And then just continue stir frying. That's the point. You don't have to leave and go anywhere. And also, if you notice, like I had increased my heat because I don't want to overcook my vegetables. If I cook on low heat, I'm gonna pretty much overcook them. So I make sure that I cook them on high so that they're as cooked as quick as possible. So just continue stir frying, and if you want at this point, you can let it go and be like, okay, I'm done. But again, I'm just gonna let it cook a little bit more, and pretty much that's the process guys. It's not hard, it's pretty easy. It's pretty much you stir frying those vegetables. I know in Zambia a lot of people overcook their vegetables, and most of the time when they are overcooked the color changes, but you letting the vegetables sit in hot boiling water for about 5 minutes the most gonna kind of like help you maintain that nice green color that you're looking for, and that helps you also not overcook your veggies. So after that, you cover your pan, you check, and guys, I know the steam, don't worry. But anyways, I'm pretty much done here. And also excuse the water, it's from the vegetable that I was kind of like adding in the pot. That's why you see a little bit of, you know, mess on your stuff, but don't mind that. The most important thing is that you're seeing exactly how I'm making my collards. So this is the finished product. Thanks guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and also let me know if there's anything I can do to improve my videos or whatever. It's hard to shoot on my own, especially with one camera, but I try my best. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.